internet and welcome to Cyber League. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create an email ID without mobile number. Open up this website, link is in description, and click on sign up. Fill all the details here. You can choose host name from the drop-down list. Remember, in password include uppercase, lowercase, special character and numbers. Now, as you done with password, complete CAPTCHA. Now click on create account and wait till it proceed. Yet it's done. Now just enter your password and sign in. It's logging in. Here is your dashboard with some welcome email and other options. Now I'm sending a random email from my other email ID to this one. Here are some settings related to your accounts. I have sent it a mail with heading demo. Yeah, I received it successfully. In this way you can create email ID without mobile number. Thanks for watching and keep hacking.
Yeah.